the camera. Let's go. So guys, just finished up in the gym with Ganzo. I didn't record it because I wanted to focus on the session, and I'm really trying to focus on this summer shredding kind of thing, just to cut down for summer holidays and stuff like that. So if you follow my Instagram, I'll have all the links in the description. You'll see how I'm getting on so far. And yeah, so we're gonna head to Dublin, and I don't know why we're heading to Dublin because the weather's absolutely crap. Ganzo, how are you feeling about the weather?
It's alright. Hopefully it's not raining in Dublin.
Hopefully not. Yeah, it's kind of poor weather out now, but we're gonna go to Dublin. Just why not? Maybe get a boojum. Ganzo said he's never had a boojum, so that might be a first thing on our list. Then have a look around a few shops, and yeah, let's go. Boom. In Blanchardstown, isn't it? It's Blanchardstown.
Yeah,
Yeah, it's it.
Blanche.
What is it?
Blanche.
Wrong one.
Gonna go
man.
get food
One
now
more.
because we're absolutely starving. So we're just in the elevator. Haley's getting very aggressive here. Didn't know. This is Haley. This is Ganzo. And
We fit together like a jigsaw.
yeah, we're just very hungry, so we're like really childish because we're really hungry. So we're gonna go get food and see that. So we decided to go to Milano's. You can't really see with the cap. We're gonna get dough balls and this sort of what's it called? Hold on. Focus.
It's gonna let him finish up first.
Polo at Astra. And I'm gonna get pizza. I'm just basically copying Ganzo. I don't really know what to get.
It's Wheelo's first time having Milanos.
It's not my first time, it's my second time.
It's his first time having dough balls, which
First time having dough balls.
is a mortal sin.
Yeah, it's my first time having dough balls, so I can't know where I'm flipping starving. Only had, how many calories did we have today?
About 200.
About 200 calories, so I'm starving. Let's eat. I can't see myself.
Yeah, I can see it. I know you're perfect.
So what, you just dip it in there?
Dip it in that and then enjoy the goodness. Yeah.
Oh man. That's unreal. That is really, really nice.
Everybody likes Milano's dough balls. What's up everybody? So me and Wheelo came to Blanche really for one reason. Purple Monster. I know, to be fair, right, this is my first can of Monster at all this year. I decided to kind of just give them up. I just don't like having them as much. They don't affect, that way it doesn't affect me. This is Wheelo's first purple can, and it's the same with me, and we're going to give a sneaky little taste test.
I'm actually gonna come with a video of taste test, like, because we're taste testing the other stuff earlier.
You ready for this? It's alright, man, yeah.
That is actually so nice.
It's nice and sweet. Purple Monster is. Do you want to try it, Haley? Go on.
Gives it a jump.
Their reaction.
Our reaction, go on, Haley.
Camera now, don't stand on it. So luscious with that hair. Don't change it.
Nice, isn't it? Yeah. Give me the can. Ah, she's after spilling some. She's after spilling some of my Monster.